Hi everyone, this is Farwa. Welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. In this video, I will tell you how we can program with Python. It's a very simple program where you are going to take two numbers from the user and show the user sum of these two numbers. Let's begin. First, you will be using any internet browser to access Python online compiler. So let's start with Google Chrome. Write down Python Online Editor in the search bar. Then there will be lot of links for you. You can access any one. Let's open the first one. This is a default program. I will just quickly delete it and then we will start from the beginning. First, you have to assign two variables to store the user data into the variable. We can name the variable as A and B for two numbers. So A equals. A is going to be an integer variable. An integer variable means that the variable A can only store numbers. So we know that we are taking numbers as input from the user. So let's make it int. Now, round brackets. In the round brackets, write down your input keyword. This is for using the input statement. Then there will be two round brackets again. And then you will use single quotations to write the message for the user so he can enter the data. Let's say enter first number. This message will be displayed to the user. Once it will be displayed, then the user will enter the first number. We are done with this. Now let's have another variable b equals. Integer is going to be the data type of the variable which says that you can only store a number in variable b. Now round brackets, input keyword for the input statement, round brackets again, then there will be a message, enter second number. These messages will help the user to enter the data. Now, once the user will enter the data for first number, the number will be stored in A and the second number will be stored in variable B. Now, by using simple print statement, which is the output statement, you can show the sum of these two numbers. Now, single quotations, write down sum of two numbers are. Then you have to go out of the single quotations and here you must mention the formula A plus B. We know that A and B are the variables and actually the values that are present inside these variables will be added together. So the first number and the second number will be added and it will be displayed using the print statement. See the result by using the run command. Okay. Now it says enter first number. Let me enter 10 and press enter. The second message is enter second number. Let me write 12. Here I will say again that 10 is going to be stored in variable A and 12 is going to be stored in variable B. Now let's see the result of the print statement. Okay, it says sum of two numbers are 22, which is correct. 22 is the sum of first two numbers. So A plus B formula help us to add two numbers that were input by the user. This is how we can write a simple program in Python. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay connected for more videos. Bye.